This YouTube channel is my main source of income. I get to create a lot of content. Some of it is in partnership with companies that create plugins and also themes. Sometimes it's through affiliate marketing partnerships. And of course, I create a lot of tutorial around SiteKrafter, which is my main DV frameworks. Now, the challenge that I have sometimes is there are certain things that I need to attend to that requires me to be away from YouTube, and I really feel bad sometimes because I can't really do anything about it because, of course, once I step away to attend to those things, around me, may be family or even, certain things that I may need to attend to, it leaves a massive hole on my channel. And it's clearly evident that you can see that for a week or sometimes 2 weeks, there is no video production. So this, in a way, it has been a challenge for me. And I know companies that have committed to working with me are then caught up in all this mix. And it's very frustrating. People that want support for the products that I'm selling, again, they get caught up in all this mix. So it is a bit of a problem, to be honest, because on one hand, I appear like I'm just ignoring everyone and I don't care. But like I said, this is my main source of income. And sometimes when these things happen, they really frustrate me because I don't like having those type of relationships or even companies to think this about me. I wish I could afford to get or outsource someone who takes care of all my emails and also my support emails, but it is not as straightforward. First of all, I have to be able to afford it in the first place. So sometimes it can be, a bit tricky, but at the same time, it's quite difficult for someone to come in and work with me on a voluntary basis. As you know, with the way the economics are, it's not easy. So I'm stuck in a position where when things are working okay, they're fine because a lot of companies really, really want to work with me. But then when I have to attend to a few things here and there, I completely neglect everyone. I mean, even my emails right now, I have anxiety just to try to go back and respond to every single email. Even my support, people that have bought my SiteKrafter framework, I have anxiety to go in there and take a look at the whole list of these things. But you know what? I thought I'd just do this video to just let you know what happens sometimes because it's not clear what happens behind the scenes. So I thought I'd just make this video to just make it clear that sometimes these type of things happen and it's not me trying to be dishonest or not living to what I agreed. So this is more like I'm really sorry video. I'm really, really sorry that these type of situations have to happen. Deep down, I want to get this work done as soon as possible. And then, both sides are happy, because I really enjoy working with companies and showcase their plugins, their services, and so on. But it's just this thing that really messes things up. So I hope you understand. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. And I'm back. I'm going to start continuing a lot of tutorials now and of course, catch up with my backlog. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.